Welcome to Homipedia. Welcome to an exploration of the harmonious fusion between traditional house design and the breathtaking landscape of mountain hills. In this video, we delve into the art of crafting a house elevation that seamlessly integrates with the natural beauty of its surroundings, creating a serene and visually captivating living space. The design process begins by embracing the topography of the mountainous terrain. We'll discuss how to leverage the elevation, orientation, and natural features of the land to inform the layout and architectural elements of the house. By blending indigenous construction techniques with modern aesthetics, the goal is to create a dwelling that not only complements but also celebrates the inherent beauty of its setting. Our journey begins by discussing how to leverage the elevation, orientation, and natural features of the land. Learn how these elements inform the layout and architectural aspects of the house, while also blending indigenous construction techniques with modern aesthetics. Discover the use of locally sourced materials such as stone, timber, and clay. Explore how these elements are employed to construct walls, roofs, and facades that echo the colors and textures of the surrounding landscape, ensuring the house becomes an organic extension of the hills. We will delve into the incorporation of design elements that maximize the panoramic views of the mountains. Discuss how large windows, outdoor living spaces, and strategically placed balconies or terraces immerse inhabitants in the natural splendor while maintaining comfort and functionality. Highlighting the importance of sustainability, this section focuses on techniques like passive solar design, rainwater harvesting, and the use of renewable energy sources. Learn how these eco-friendly practices minimize environmental impact and enhance the connection between the house and nature. Join us in exploring traditional craftsmanship and how it contributes to architectural ingenuity. Discover the merging of these techniques with the untamed beauty of mountainous landscapes, aiming to create a traditional house elevation that is not just a structure but a serene retreat harmonizing with the majestic surroundings.